inaccessible today due to heightened security.
Can you believe Umbridge is finally on trial?
It's about time she stands before the Wizengamot.
Well, this is quite the tailback.
Not surprising with everyone here for the trial.
Hello. Are you going to the trial too?
Of course, Ron. The whole Wizarding world wants to see justice served.
And we can't be late. I don't want to miss this.
Oh no, what's that?
And we'll do what must be done for the greater good. To the time room. Yaxley, dispose of them.
With pleasure, miss. Confringo.
Teachers have attacked the Ministry. Dolores Umbridge has escaped.
Arresto Momentum!
Umbridge has escaped.
She's after a time turner again.
We need to get to the time room.
They can help us. We must stop Miss Umbridge.
Warning. Death Eaters have attacked the Ministry Archives. Unexpected lift in the Ministry Archives.
There she goes.
Hickory will help.
Stupefied. You're after her.
We won't let you stop us this time! Rosie!
Over here, you melon-headed saddle goose!
Find Umbridge!
You filthy smuggler!
Unexpected lift in the Department of Magical Creatures.
Stop this! Incredible!
Now's the time turner's vote. Finish!
Bloody hell! And a romper!
Don't upset her.
Too late for that! What's that?
Hurry! Get to the time room!
Let's get out of here before the lift explodes!
Now back's the time of Lord Voldemort. You're too late.
You can't use a broken time turner, Miss!
Nonsense. Repair it.
Miss, look what you've done!
This is your fault.
The time room is breaking apart! Stupefy!
Get out of here. We'll deal with them.
I will have order. How dare you try to stop me?
No! Miss, now Hickory has your wand!
You must not tell lies, Professor!
Order! Order!
Unhand me.
We brought you a present, Minister.
Dolores Jane Umbridge. For your crimes, you will spend the rest of your days in Azkaban.
This is an outrage.
Take her away!
You've done well, Higgledy. Dolores and this lot will move to Azkaban soon.
Where evil mistresses belong, Miss Granger. We all saved the Ministry. Thank you, friends.
Will the Department of Magical Maintenance please report to the time room? The Department of Magical Creatures is closed until further notice.